But the data point that Neeraj was just mentioning, which is promoters going out and buying, have you been witnessing this?
Yeah. That's an interesting trend which I see. Three things which have turned positive in the market, which is completely unnoticed by markets. One is dollar index turning from 110 to 106 now. Correct. The second is that government is taking its steps. They boosted consumption in the budget. Now government spending has started. RBI is doing its bit by infusing liquidity at every, whenever there is a shortage of liquidity, they are there to provide liquidity in the system. They cut repo rates to boost consumption and private sector capex. And now the fourth thing has come, which is promoter buying. See, at 26,000 when we were actually selling in the market, a lot of promoters were also selling and PE funds also were selling, right? Now, after a long time, in this mid-cap and small-cap correction, I am seeing promoters buying. Just to give you one example, and this is a stock which we own in the portfolio, Jindal Steel and Power. Now, promoters have bought worth 790 crores in last 10 trading sessions. Okay, it's a huge, I would say, faith, because they know, and if you see their earning call, they have said clearly that in whatever they have said is that their capacity is going from 9.6 million ton to 15.8 million ton in 3 years. And so, this is with backward integration, which will improve margins. So, their EBITDA will go up from 9,000 crore to around 16,000 crore by FY27. Correct. And current market cap is 89,000 crore, net debt is 13,500 crore. I would say that if they actually do 17,000 crore EBITDA with backward integration, which is structural EBITDA, then they can give 8 times, you can give 8 times to them. So 1,36,000, and net debt is not rising too much. One interesting thing, again they have said on the call, is net debt to EBITDA will not exceed 1.5x in spite of 60% capacity addition. So that gives you a 30-40% upside on the table. A small developer, I'll tell you, recently listed developer like Arcade developer, the promoter is buying. TVS, the new recently listed company, TVS Supply Chain Solutions. Promoters, TVS Motors has bought 88 lakh shares from the market. So there are interesting things happening when in this fall of the market, where promoters have started buying, which is a great news for me, because promoter knows the intrinsic value of the business. Promoter is excited. Now, why JSPL must be buying? Why promoter is buying? They know that their projects are now going to commission, and every quarter there will be improvement in the volumes. And if prices supports, and if you must have read the Tata Steel, Mr. Narendran has also said that at this steel prices, it is very difficult to put capex, which will cap the capacity increase. Plus, if government does something on safeguard duty, it's a shot in the arm.
Okay, so we'll talk about all of this. But viewers, I urge you, do not go out and buy a stock just because the promoter is buying. You need to study it. Because there are a bunch of names wherein promoters have been buying for 6 months and the stocks have come off. So please do your own due research. Do not buy it because a promoter is bought or because it's being discussed out here on television. Forget our channel. Anywhere. Please do your own due diligence.